Oh my gosh, dude. So here's where we're at. All right, we got this dang old cabin built. Put up some of this shelving units, fireplace going. You know, I think we're gonna like start working on a basement or something. I don't know. Oh my gosh, dude. That tree just totally whacked me. If you guys don't know, we are on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5 Central. We are on Wednesday nights, 8 p.m. to around 11 p.m. All right, guys, we've almost got done flooring this basement. Basement floored. We'll throw this log off for our homies.